Hi, I'm Wes McKenney with LockCaddy Products. LockCaddy Products is a tool for every locksmith to save time and save money. All LockCaddy products meet the requirements of Buy America Act and are covered by U.S. patent and trademarks. All LockCaddy products have been invented and designed by a GSA certified contractor. You can purchase LockCaddy products at any locksmith wholesale distributor or online at www.lockcaddy.com. So what we're going to talk about this morning is the LockCaddy LFIC Large Format Interchangeable Core. Now all your major manufacturers, Corbin, Yale, Sargent, all make large format cores, and we've designed this to accept all of them depending upon how thick they are and where the locking lugs are located. This particular LockCaddy has 23 locations, 23 different operations that you can do all without moving around your shop. Okay, very durable, very lightweight, precisely made. Each one is going to be consistent as far as the locations here, and we've done it so that there are like finger grips on this particular one. So when you're pulling the cores in and out, you don't have to turn it to pull it out. That we've designed finger grips on these products. Okay, so what we want to do is we're going to put the core here and we're going to pin it, and in the same sense we're going to find a home for it. And if you look at it, we've made the walls, the receiving walls per cavity to block it, and what we've been able to do is that we've put these little slots on these so that you can see that it locks in, so the core has a lot less movement, easier to get in and out, and harder to come out. Okay, so once we have pinned it, we can put it back over here, and we can then start putting in cores in different locations. We also have locations for cams, parts. Okay, again, this is designed to be a mini management of key systems and cores and keys. You can put the AA1 core, AA1 key, AA2 core, AA2 cut key, or we can put different control keys or grandmaster keys within that. If we need to put a filing tool, which we'll talk about here in a minute, we have locations for filing tools or aligning tools. Okay, now two of the hardest things that I have come across with these cores is that just about everybody's core has a slide that has to be removed. Okay, and the problem is that to remove that core or that pin cover, you always have to go to a vise location to get behind that little baby and pop it off. So what I've designed is there's a workstation with a cover removal station, so you can drop your core in like so, and now you can get a tool behind that to pull that pin cover off. You're not going to a vise somewhere and kind of awkward, collapsing the core with the jaws. And really what I thought of was that the core is not straight up and down like so, which would be harder to get at. I put it at an angle so that pin cover is facing you right away, so you can get behind it and do that, and then you can pull it out real easy, and you can put it in like so, and you can pin your core, and then you can put the core back on in this location. Okay, also what we've designed in here is locations for housings. So in case you need to check the core into the housing, I also designed it so that the cams don't get in the way, and they fit very nicely into these slots. So we've secured the housing so you can test your cores. We've also designed a tweezer location on that, so you would have a place for your tweezers. As you can see that I'm moving these babies around, they're not falling out because of that wall design that we put in here. Another feature that you really want to take a look at is here is a stamping location, and down the cavity down here like so, the cavity is 2 levels because these housings, these cores have 2 different levels. So here would be a face stamp location. Also, you can take it and do a side stamp location, all in that side of the fixture. We also have a location for a following tool, a lining tool that we've designed, where again, even if you have anybody's housing, you can use this tool to adjust the cam when you want to put the core in. It's also a following tool. So understand this, folks, everybody's core except for Schlage has a pin cover, but the Schlage core, you need a following tool because it's a cap and pin type of a thing. So you would put the following tool through this with the key, turn it, drop your pins, repin it, put it back in. So this would be a capping tool and an aligning tool for Schlage for all the different manufacturers. And we've given you a location right here for that tool. If you're looking for something a little more compact, what we have designed is the LockCaddy Mini series. It's about half the size, and this one is for large format cores. Everybody makes them. So what you can do is you can put your key over here. You can cut your key. You come back, and now you can try your key within the cylinder to make sure it works okay. You can pin it, you can cap it, and now you have management where you have the AA1 core, you have AA1 cut key, and again, it's all right here. You can move around your shop with it. We've got these little sidewalls so that the core will not slip out, and everything here is confined, so if the phone rings or something, you're here, you know what's going on. No distractions, all the parts and pieces are right here. Again, save time, save money. In the last year, we have done some major improvements. We improved our website. It's easier to navigate. We have lowered prices. If you can believe that, we've lowered prices. And if you visited it in the past and thought that it wasn't affordable or wasn't within your budget, please take a new look at LockCaddy pricing, and I'm sure you'll be pleasantly surprised. Thanks for watching our videos, and you can purchase any LockCaddy products at any local hardware distributor or LockCaddy.com. Thanks for your business.